Okay, my floors have not looked this clean in years, and I have basically stopped cleaning. This is the brand new Roborock Saros 20 Sonic, and by the end of this video, you will completely get why I am obsessed. 36,000 pass balls of suction. Just watch it swallow this whole mess in one single pass. Cereal, dust, sand, all of it. I honestly did not think a robot this thin could ever pull this much raw power. So here is what makes it special. It vacuums and mops at the very same time. It sucks up every crumb first, then the mop scrubs the floor right behind it, so it ends up actually clean, not just smeared around. And this is the sonic part. The mop does not just wipe, it vibrates 4,000 times a minute while pressing down hard, scrubbing out dried stains like a real hand would. Then it extends right into the corners and edges. It maps your entire home and cleans in perfect straight lines instead of bumping around. With its smart AI vision, it sees shoes, cables, even your pet coming and just glides around every single one without ever touching them. Genuinely smart. Because it is only about 8 centimeters tall, it slides completely under the sofa and the bed, exactly where the worst dust hides. And it still lifts itself over high threeples between rooms that used to trap my old robot. Now this dock is where the real magic happens. When it finishes, it drives back, empties its own dust into a sealed bag, washes the mop with hot water, and dries it. I literally touch this thing once a month. Look at everything happening inside here. It sucks all the dirt up into a sealed bag that holds weeks of mess, then washes the mop with 100-degree hot water and blasts it dry. Zero smell, zero dirty water sitting around. Honestly, if you are tired of cleaning every single weekend, this thing genuinely hands you your free time back. If I have already won you over, the link is right down below and there is usually a really good deal. Go check it. Go check it. And if you have pets, this is the real game changer. The brushes are designed so the hair never wraps and tangles around them, so it just keeps picking up everything my cat sheds while I do absolutely nothing but relax on the couch. Sticky juice spill all over the kitchen tiles? It scrubs that right off. The vibrating mop presses down with real pressure, so I get a shiny, streakless floor, then lifts itself automatically over the rugs without ever kneeling down again. Everything runs from the app on your phone. It builds a precise map of your home, so you can send it to clean just the kitchen, block off rooms to skip, or schedule it daily while you are out. You get total control. This is honestly my favorite part of the whole day. I just tap start from the couch, and off it goes completely on its own. No cables, no effort, no stress. I sit back with my tea while the whole house cleans itself. So here is the honest before and after. This was my floor on a normal busy week, crumbs, dust, pet hair, absolutely everywhere. And this is the exact same floor after one single run, with zero effort from me. The difference is just ridiculous. So that is the Roborock Saros 20 Sonic. It vacuums, it sonic mops, it empties and washes itself, and it gives you back every weekend. If you want a home that truly cleans itself, tap that link right now. You will not regret it.